Did you know that anaphylaxis can happen in seconds and might be life-threatening? But don't panic. I'm going to explain exactly what happens, kinda, and how to save someone's life. Let's go! Anaphylaxis is a severe systemic allergic reaction that happens when your immune system overreacts after exposure to something like peanuts, bee stings, or certain medications, for example. It's like your body hitting the panic button over something that shouldn't be dangerous. Think of it like a fire alarm going off because someone burnt toast, but instead of just making noise, your body shuts down critical systems. So, how do you know if someone's going into anaphylaxis? Early symptoms can be subtle, like a strange taste in the mouth, tingling lips, or a feeling of doom. Yes, that's an actual symptom. But things escalate fast. Swelling of the lips, throat, and eyes, difficulty breathing, wheezing, hives, vomiting, dizziness, and confusion. Worst case, anaphylactic shock. Blood pressure plummets, the brain and organs don't get enough oxygen, and without treatment, it can lead to unconsciousness and cardiac arrest. What's happening inside the body? Your immune system is designed to protect you from actual threats, like bacteria and viruses. But with anaphylaxis, it misidentifies something harmless as an extreme danger and launches a massive immune response. The key player here? IgE antibodies. If you're allergic to something, your body has already made IgE antibodies that specifically recognize that allergen. The moment you're exposed again, these antibodies activate mast cells and basophils, which then release a flood of inflammatory chemicals, including histamine, leukotrienes, and prostaglandins. Histamine is the big culprit. It makes blood vessels leaky, causing swelling and a dangerous drop in blood pressure. At the same time, the airway muscles tighten, making it harder to breathe. Fluid buildup in the lungs and throat swelling can block airflow completely. Essentially, your body freaks out so much that it starts shutting itself down, and that's why it's life-threatening. How do you stop it? Step 1. Stay calm and act fast. Time is critical. Step 2. Use an EpiPen. Inject into the outer thigh muscle. This works even through clothes. Why the thigh? That has a large muscle with a rich blood supply, so the drug gets absorbed fast. Studies show epinephrine works quicker and more effectively when injected into the thigh compared to other sites, e.g., the arm. How does epinephrine work? Tightens blood vessels, which raises blood pressure. Relaxes airway muscles, which makes breathing easier. Stops further chemical release, which slows down the immune response. But here's the important part. Even after using the EpiPen, you must call 999 or 911 outside the UK. Why? Because anaphylaxis can return within hours. This is called a biphasic reaction, where symptoms come back even if the person seems fine. The EpiPen buys time, but hospital treatment is still needed. They may require oxygen, IV fluids, steroids, or additional epinephrine.